appreciate advantage being taken of me. Yeah, all them good times and them hangovers are gonna pay my